Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another LV Poshmark unboxing. I just wanted to show you guys. This is not a sponsored video. This is just my experience that I've had with Poshmark, which it's been a positive one so far. Everything I have bought, designer wise, it does get authenticated of what I know over $500. So of course what I bought was obviously over $500. As you can tell, this is a huge box and comes with paper. And then this is what I meant. They always come with this little authentication card. They authenticate it. They put their initials. And how cute, it comes with paper. Okay, so as you can tell, what I bought was made in 2019. And the seller was able to send me the bag, which I love. It's like in pristine condition. Doesn't look like it was damaged at all. It's really cute. I'm so excited. I plan to frame it and put it somewhere. Let me know what you guys have done with your shopping bags. I always shop online, so I actually don't have a LV shopping bag. This is my first bag, so, and I really love this bag. I know this year, for not this, well, 2020 Christmas last year, they were not giving the bags, I think, or they were recalled or something. That's what I've heard. Okay, let me flip this. So as you can see, it's a huge box. I don't know if you guys can guess what I purchased, but what I actually bought, it's like a good gift that it can be for like Valentine's Day. So for the first time, this is not for me. This is not a girly gift, but I thought I would show you guys because this is something that I believe would be helpful for you girls or gentlemen that are looking into purchasing this. It's like the Kirigami set, but in the men's version, which, now looking at it, this is huge compared to the women's one. I will be doing a comparison video, just so you guys can see. This has a little bit of wear. It's almost brand new, as you can see. It's almost in brand new condition. I don't see any damage. But yeah, this could probably fit like an iPad. I will be doing a video, just stay tuned, of what fits in here. But the reason that I bought it was because I'm gonna gift it. It's a great Valentine's Day gift. Look, you can have them put their iPad, you can put a notebook, work stuff, just, you know, close it and on the go, which is great. And then this is the other one that I pulled out. So all the interiors are different, kind of like the Kirigami set. See, this one's a blue, this one's a yellow, and I believe the other one's a red. This one, I believe, already looking at it, it looks way bigger. These both look way bigger than the Kirigami set. All three of them actually do. This one is larger. I'll do the comparison video so you guys can kind of see. This is just my unboxing video, my reaction, but I really like this felt material, and I really like this, that it's the silver hardware. The price point of this one is about $1,000, a little bit over $1,000. It's almost around the same price as my the Scale Collection Kirigami Pochette set that I have. But yeah, this one has 2 buttons on the side compared to the other one, like I said, but we'll do that comparison video later. But yeah, I like how it snaps. It looks very large in here and very soft material. It won't damage your items. So yeah, I think this is like a really good Valentine's Day gift. If you guys can get your hands on one, I believe your partner would really like this. It's really, even you can just give it to like your husband, your grandson, your kids, your boyfriend, whatever. I believe it's like a good Valentine's Day gift, Christmas gift, anniversary gift, birthday gift, because it has all three, and it's very like you can do a lot of things with it, which I think it's cool. This is probably like the passport bag, but I believe you can carry a lot in here. As you can see, silver hardware and the 2 snaps. I really like this. I wish the girl size were this big. Seriously. They're probably like the size of like a Pochette or something. But for the price, I think it's worth it. This is a little bit... Okay, so the Monogram Kirigami set, it's about $700 and something, so they have not raised the price. When I bought mine, was like $715, and this one runs for $1,000, so probably the sizing wise. But still, this is a pretty large card holder. As you guys can see, let me show you guys the inside. And then I know some of you guys asked me where it was made, because I know you guys do ask. This one was made in France. You guys can see, so this quality is made in France. I don't know the quality of the US one. I do have some US items that were made in the US, and I have seen comparison videos, and I do think they're very helpful because the texture of the material is different sometimes. But yeah, I don't see any flaws in the interior. I am very happy with this Poshmark purchase. It does take, just keep in mind, like I said, this video is not sponsored, but it does take about a week or 2 weeks for you to receive your items once you purchase them on Poshmark, because they get authenticated, and then depends when the person ships them out. Like I said, that's how my experience has been. I have purchased already 3 items, I believe, from Poshmark. I'll link them down below so you guys can see all my unboxings from Poshmark and other LV unboxings. Yeah, till next time, guys. If this was helpful, let me know, comment down below, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.